you're just hitting easy apply on LinkedIn and waiting for a recruiter to call, you're playing the wrong game. LinkedIn isn't a job board, it's a networking platform. And the students who understand that, who use it to build relationships and get referrals, are the ones landing interviews. Let me show you how. I built a free resource with plug and play outreach templates that students in our program use to actually get responses. Check it out in the link in the description below. When I first started applying, I used LinkedIn like everyone else. Filters, job postings, easy apply. And after dozens and dozens of applications, I heard back nothing. It wasn't until I flipped the script and started using LinkedIn to network and have chats with people who are doing the jobs that I actually wanted that things started to finally move. I got access to jobs before they were posted, conversations that led to interviews, and even referrals that I never would have gotten otherwise. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to use LinkedIn the right way to land finance internships. LinkedIn is not a job board. Think of it like a massive networking event, not like Indeed with extra steps. If you're thinking, why doesn't Easy Apply ever work for me? Easy Apply is like ordering DoorDash from a restaurant that's already closed. You can click the button, send your order, and even get that little confirmation screen, but nothing's cooking in the kitchen. That's exactly what's happening with your resume. You're sending it into a system that's built to filter you out, not feed you opportunities. I used to do this too. I'd fire off 50 Easy Apply applications and sit there starving for a response. Nothing came back because in finance, the kitchen doesn't even open unless somebody at the restaurant knows your name. You know how it works. Applying on LinkedIn cold means you're competing against thousands of other applicants and getting stuck in filters. That leads us to the real value in the platform, which is cold messaging. Your goal isn't to click apply as many times as you can, it's to have as many conversations as you can. And the framework that we teach our students to do this is, for one, provide value, and two, have a call to action. It's as simple as that. Providing value gives somebody a reason to even open your message in the first place and continue reading, and having a call to action makes it known that you are asking something of this person, whether that be 15 or 30 minutes of their time for a quick chat. And the beauty of networking like this is that you can uncover hidden opportunities. Some of the best openings aren't even posted online. I myself have been referred to listings before they've been posted externally, or roles that have only been shared internally. In networking with people who are actually at the company that you want to work for, they will know when their team might be hiring, or if there's a role that will be opening in the near future but hasn't been posted online. Now, moving into the application phase, the fastest way past HR filters is through an employee. One of the best outcomes that can result from these coffee chats is that you can receive a referral from an employee that helps you bypass all of the HR screening that goes on prior and weeds out most of the candidates, especially through Easy Apply. Sharing a story from my personal experience, I was denied and ghosted from Goldman Sachs internships for every single year in college until my senior year, when I actually did some networking with some folks who worked at the firm and ended up securing a referral just because I made a great first impression, had a strong coffee chat for the 30 minutes that we set up, and didn't even have to ask for the referral. But at the end of our call, the employee that I was chatting with asked me for my resume and offered to pass it along to the recruiter. Next thing you know, a week or two later, I have an email in my inbox from a Goldman Sachs recruiter inviting me to interview after years of getting rejected. And real quick, you don't want to be that kid who is going around the office trying to farm referrals out of employees. It just doesn't sit right with people, and that's why I never really was a big fan myself of asking people for referrals. Instead, you just convey genuine curiosity and interest in learning about the other human being who you're sitting across the table from or having a phone call with, really just asking for help and guidance. And with enough follow-up and time spent nurturing a relationship, a referral is sometimes the most logical next step without you even having to ask for it. And so finally, how to use LinkedIn filters the right way. You might still be thinking, should I even be using the job board feature at all? The answer is yes. However, job boarding search features isn't the end. It's the start. You should be using LinkedIn to find jobs or internships that you're interested in applying for, but from there, you should be taking it a step further and actually finding people to connect with that are alumni from your university or have common interests or common organizations that they've been a part of, and use that to continue strengthening your application for when you do send yours through. So remember, LinkedIn is not where you apply, it's where you connect. Easy Apply puts you in a pile, conversations pull you out of the pile. If you want help building that whole process from outreach to referrals to interviews, check out our mentorship program, From Scratch to Success. It's in the link in the description below. Let's cook. We'll see you over there.